The best way to learn is by doing. Welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. Hi, my name is Martin, and in this video, we will focus on the three types of lot size keys available in SAP. This feature in SAP enables MRP to plan replenishment using static, periodic, and cost-based lot sizes. So, Christy, tell us a little bit more about how to make the most out of these three lot size keys.
You bet, Martin. Lot size keys are one of the key rules for MRP to follow. Getting these right helps us to tackle a wide variety of different planning scenarios and immediately improve the outcomes of our MRP runs. In this demonstration, I am going to focus on the following three things. First, I'll introduce the three different categories of lot size keys. Second, we'll discuss how MRP will respond to some of the most commonly used lot size techniques. And third, we'll give you a couple of tips or tricks on how to incorporate complementary master data for synergy in that planning run. One of the key planning rules for our MRP run relates to our lot size keys. And today I want to go through and show you where to find this in the material master and then talk you through a couple of the different options. So I'm starting here from my stock requirements list, of course, because this is where I spend most of my time as a planner or buyer, and I'm actually just going to go in and take a look at this material. Now, if I was just going to display, I would double click, but I think we're going to do a little bit of changing here. So I'm going to go to environment and say change material. And my lot size key lives on this very first MRP view. And there are really three different kinds of lot size keys or categories of lot size keys, and I want to break them down for you. So the first is a static lot size key. So this is going to be things like a lot for lot order quantity. It's going to be things like replenish to a maximum stock level. These are the kinds of lot size keys that we will be using if we are going through and have a static way we want to replenish. Also things like fixed order quantity, which is what this guy is set up as.